Hi, we are a group of students from the ITIS Monaco in Cosenza.
Hi, of students from Pierwsze Liceum Ogólnokształcące imienia Tadeusza Kościuszki in Mysłowice.
We are proud to present the outcomes of 2 years of work and collaboration between our two schools, thanks to a twinning partnership dealing with the subject of intercultural communication in a peer group.
Intercultural education is one of the EU priorities. Then, the free movement of people, goods and cultures has transformed us into interdependent citizens. This is why we have decided to enhance our communication skills with the help of twinning tools. We realize that understanding different ways of thinking, as well as ability to coexist harmoniously without losing one's own identity, have become essential nowadays.
Met through a screen, and we have shared our feelings. Together we have become a new and unique creature. The path we have taken has seen us day after day becoming protagonists of our lives and sharing in the lives of others. We have come out of anonymity. We have decided to get involved in defying cliches and prejudices, indifference and fears. We have started from our local reality and begun our long journey towards citizenship. The commitment has turned into volunteering in its many forms.
We, the students of Pierwsze Liceum Ogólnokształcące imienia Tadeusza Kościuszki in Mysłowice, have shared knowledge and intervention strategies with our partners. We have followed the same path at a distance, considering the reality of our country. We have developed the section on immigration that has affected many communities in Poland. Our Italian partners have highlighted the phenomenon of immigration and of foreigners welcoming.
We found it necessary to get involved in a period of training with experts in order to be able to manage emotion and behavior and adapt them to different situations that were to be faced. We have become peer educators.
The next step was to come into action, because the reality we live in changes so rapidly that it is necessary to take an active role to avoid being a mere spectator. It is by acting that we have learned to react and act individually and collectively, developing more and more responsible behaviors.
Getting in touch with others, whoever they are, means learning to accept differences, means being able to build responsibility, tolerance, solidarity. In this phase of the training course, we have realized the importance of effective communication in all its forms. Together with our friends, we have recognized the value of verbal and non-verbal communication in establishing effective dialogue with all those we want to meet.
Since communication takes place at different levels and dialogue can involve individuals with a variety of experiences, we have considered not only ethnic diversity but also biological and social ones.
From these active experiences, our video and our terrific site were born. We wanted to bear witness through our actual commitment that young people need and want to be involved. That every experience in favor of others, whoever they are, is values bearer. That no man and no culture can be considered dominant. That interdependence of peoples and nation is a matter of fact. That the development of peoples doesn't concern only the economy but also society and culture.
We have been learners, we have been participants, we have been educators. We have assumed many roles throughout the project. We have awoken and reinforced creativity through a cooperation grounded in the principles of peer education groups. We believe that this experience has changed us, enriched us, made us more sensitive to other people's needs, and taught us to be appreciative of cultures and values other than our own.
We've grasped the principles of intercultural communication and we've enjoyed every minute of our intercultural dialogue.